Friends, today we are going to make a sling bag from our old jeans without any sew. Before that, please do subscribe my channel for more such videos. So for making a sling bag, you need to take your old jeans, and in this video I am going to take jeans of 38 size. So moving ahead with the first step is to remove the bottoms of the jean. So after that I am going to take a clutch of mine and I am going to take the measurements for it, and it is 29 into 17 centimeters. That is, length is 29 and breadth is 17 centimeters, and same measurements I am going to take it for my sling bag too. So I am not cutting the clutch from this part, as there is a line which I don't want it in my sling bag. So you need to cut the two of these parts. Basically the two parts you need to cut off the sling for the sling bag. So this one is part A, and I am going to cut this side. So after cutting this, you will get two pieces of this type, and I have made the rectangle of the accurate measurements which I measured from the clutch to make the sling bag. So now I am going to cut the marked lines. You can see I have not cut this line, and now we are going to join all the sides. And now for making this also equal, now we are going to fold it in this way that the both sides get equal also, and this is going to help us to increase the space in the bag. Now I am going to stick both the ends together with the fabric glue. You can also use hot glue. And this is the part B, which I am going to cut exactly like my sling bag without cutting the bottom. So I am reducing the size of the part B 2 centimeters smaller than the sling's outer cover, that is part A. So now I am taking the wedding invitation box which I received recently. I am taking out all the cabinets from the box, and you are not going to throw this box also, because I'm going to make something really very interesting out of it soon. So wait for the next video. So do subscribe my channel for that. And now I'm going to paste one cabinet which matches the size. If it doesn't match the size, you can just cut it. And on the inner layer of the outer cover of the sling bag, which is the part A. So inner layer, on the inner layer you're going pasting this. Now you are going to paste the part B on this so that this is not visible. Putting up the glue on it. Pasting the two together. After this, we are going to stick the sides together. You're going to take the corner and move it inside, put the glue on it, and hold it for at least 10 seconds, and then you're going to paste the sides, put the glue on it to the inside, and then you're going to move the other part also inside, and then you're going to paste it together so that the ends are not visible. This is the top layer of the part B which we have not pasted, and I have made this as the top layer of my sling bag, and now I'm going to give the shape with the help of the clutch. You can also keep it straight if you want. Just giving the finishing now. Now we are going to cut it. Now I am going to paste the lace at the back where there is a joining which is visible of the part A and part B. I am pasting the lace as I find the lace is a very good option to hide it, and I feel like the bag is looking very attractive after pasting the lace. You can also paste any other things like ribbons, etc., which you find is sufficient to hide it. Pasting the lace on these places too, and if you are liking it, you can do the way I am doing, and I feel like the bag is looking very good after pasting the lace. Now I am going to give the finishing to the ends of the bag, just putting up the glue and folding it inwards on all the parts where the finishing is required. Now we are going to make a string for our sling bag. So we are cutting this part also now, just cutting it and making a long string for our bag, and this would be 10 centimeters wide. We are removing the pockets also, just cutting it to save the time without opening up the stitches. Is the string, and now we are going to give the finishing. Put the glue at the ends of the string and fold it inwards, and then you are going to stick it together. After making it, you are going to put the glue at the end and stick it into the sling bag. Just inwards of the sling bag, you are going to stick it in the corner. Using Velcro now, and this I've got for 40 rupees a meter, and you can get at any of the Lay's shop, and you can also use buttons if you want, but I'm using Velcro. I find it like easy and without any stitch too, so that is why I'm using Velcro. And you need to mark the points, and then you're going to stick the Velcro at the marked points, and your sling bag is ready.